In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the key differences between two popular email marketing platforms in 2025, AWeber and GetResponse. These platforms have catered to diverse audiences and continue to offer unique advantages to their users. Whether you are a newcomer to email marketing or a seasoned pro looking to enhance your online presence, understanding these differences might help you better align your marketing strategies with your business goals. Starting with AWeber, this platform has built a strong reputation as a simple and beginner-friendly tool. Its minimalistic interface allows newcomers to jump right in, create newsletters, and set up basic automations with minimal training or experience needed. This simplicity makes it an attractive choice for small businesses or individuals who are just starting their email marketing journey. On the other hand, GetResponse is recognized for its all-in-one approach. It offers much more than just email marketing. With GetResponse, you get access to an array of tools, including automation features, landing pages, websites, pop-ups, webinars, and even hosting online courses. This makes GetResponse a powerful option for businesses with broader digital marketing needs. However, it also comes with a steeper learning curve, which may be a consideration for newcomers who are not yet familiar with digital marketing tools. When we compare their email features, both platforms offer drag and drop editors, AI writing tools, and A/B testing options. However, GetResponse edges ahead by providing unlimited sending capabilities across all its paid plans, along with advanced spam checking and AI-powered send time optimization. In contrast, AWeber imposes sending limits based on your list size, which could be restrictive for those who send high volumes of emails. In terms of automation, GetResponse again has a competitive advantage. It offers a visual workflow builder, behavior-based triggers, and lead scoring, allowing the creation of complex customer journeys. AWeber, on the other hand, focuses on simpler drip sequences with limited branching logic. When discussing design capabilities, GetResponse provides sleek, modern templates and elements like countdown timers and product blocks, while AWeber offers unique features like AMP for email, which allows interactive elements in newsletters, and Smart Designer, which generates branded templates from website URLs. Looking at deliverability rates, both platforms are neck and neck, with similar inbox placement rates around 89 to 90%. There's not much distinction here, so you can expect reliable deliverability from either option. For list management and analytics, GetResponse offers more flexibility by charging only for unique contacts as opposed to AWeber, which counts duplicates across lists, thus potentially increasing costs. Reporting on GetResponse is also stronger, providing detailed e-commerce tracking and predictive engagement metrics. AWeber's reporting doesn't delve as deep unless you're on higher tier plans, and its free plan lacks reporting capabilities altogether. GetResponse further expands its lead with extra features like a landing page and website builder, customizable pop-ups, built-in webinar hosting, and course creation tools. These additions make it a comprehensive choice for businesses looking to expand their online footprint. AWeber's offerings in this area are more limited, with just a basic landing page builder and no webinar or course capabilities, making third-party tools a necessary supplement. In terms of support, AWeber stands out with its long history, offering numerous direct integrations with niche tools out of the box and providing phone support, which is rare these days. GetResponse counters with 24/7 multilingual live chat support, making it ideal for businesses with an international reach. Finally, when we talk about pricing, GetResponse generally offers better long-term value. Its starter plan is priced at $19 per month for 1,000 subscribers, compared to AWeber Lite at $25 for the same number of subscribers. As you scale up, AWeber becomes increasingly expensive, making GetResponse the more economical choice as your business grows. In summary, your choice between AWeber and GetResponse ultimately boils down to your specific needs. AWeber shines with simplicity and excellent support, making it great for beginners and those who appreciate a straightforward platform. Conversely, GetResponse is the go-to option for those seeking a feature-packed experience, with advanced automation, unlimited sending, extra tools like webinars and online courses, and more scalability for expanding businesses.